first day of me trading my funded account with Apex. We're gonna go ahead and see if we can catch a win today. I have a demand set up right here. Hopefully we can get break a candle, and if we do, we're gonna be in here. All right, so I'll probably aim for a 1.2, nothing too crazy, and then that'll be the end of today. And of course, if it breaks below these lows right here, the trade is invalid. And I'm on the micros, so I'm gonna use 9, probably about 9. That should be good enough. And then we'll go from there. I'll put the stop loss probably like right here. It's Monday, we have no news coming out, so I think we should be good. Uh, 740 right now, 744. So we're getting in a little bit pre-market. See, we gotta break a structure right here just for. Ooh. Okay. Wow. Imagine if you got in aggressive right here. You just thought that it would just automatically respect it, got in, and your stop loss is right where I have mine right now. You'd probably be taken out, but trade's not finished, so we'll see. This is a wonderful push up. I'm not gonna lie, like if it breaks candle, we're in there for sure. The 50 EMA just made it shoot back up. If we break this right here, these candles over here will be in. Hopefully we can get break a candle right now. Like I don't want it to close with it down anywhere below this high, and then I'd rather it just break it right now. But even if it doesn't break it right now, we'll be in on the next candle break. Because that's a nice push. It's a wonderful push, man. Damn, I wish I didn't do that. Shot up so aggressively. profit. Let's see what we get out of this. I really hope we can break these highs and possibly create a new higher high up here. And if we float above 350, I'll probably pull before we even get to 382. Ooh, that's a scary rejection. We're still bullish though. Market is bullish. I know we have a fair value gap right here with this being a supply, but I'm hoping that this doesn't serve as like some sort of counter trend. Sometimes it's tough to watch, but sometimes you just have to see how your trades play out. You gotta have faith in your strategy, understand and trust in your bias. Y'all can hear my voice cracking a little bit. I don't know if y'all peep, but this is my first recorded live trading video, so I'm trying to train myself to sit here and watch my trades play out, because usually I set and forget it, but then there's times where I feel like I should probably be present to see if I can either pull early or even just be confident in my setups to the point where even if I see retracements, just let it play out. So you also gotta remember that anything is possible. Anything, is possible in these markets. You can, even though this looks like an A+ setup, right? There's times where it would look as perfect as this, and it just won't go in your direction. So, the best thing to do is just to wait, and then try to learn from your losses rather than letting it anger you and then that leading to overtrading. So, but let's just hope that we can get a good first trade in, get some profit. 350. I'm only aiming for 350. I know it says 382 as part of my take profit, but if we get 350, we can get out of here. See, most people will like try to get out right here because they see a little bit of profit. They see like $56, which is cool. But it's always best to let your trades play out, because if you try to get back in and try to make more, you'll probably just lose this little amount, because you're gonna feel the need that you're gonna feel like you can catch another setup. So the way I approach the markets is it's either gonna stop me out, or it's gonna hit my TP or the target that I have in mind. Eight o'clock about to hit, so let's see. rejection. It's a scary rejection. See, sometimes things like this can happen. And I'm not gonna lie to you, it's hard watching this. It's very hard watching this, like watching retracements and things of that nature. But I have to make sure that I become a better trader by being able to sit through my trades and watch it. Some equal lows down here. It's 8 o'clock. I hope 8 o'clock don't serve as a counter trend. It's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be so crazy. That sucks. That really sucks. That candle is it's killing me. I'm not gonna lie, that candle is killing me, but hey. That's crazy. The candle is killing me, man. I'm not gonna lie to you, man. This is hard to watch, but we're gonna do it. I guess depending on how it reacts to this zone, but I don't see it. I don't see it going back to where it needs to go per se, but the structure is bullish. It's pointing to the upside. And then if I get stopped out, maybe there was a zone that I could have been more aware of. There's probably a higher time frame zone that's somewhere in the balance, in the works, or even a lower time frame. Who knows? Like, it's like that sometimes. Sometimes I try not to overanalyze too much because it prevents me from getting into quality setups. But we just gotta have to see. This is crazy. This is kind of crazy. I'm not gonna lie to you. Man, price, man, it's taking too long to show me what it actually wants to do. Guys, apparently this is just not a good setup. Bro, I know you can break that camera. You keep trying to push up there. Like you want something up there. Ah, man. Mm-mm-mm. I hate that finish so much. Oh God. This is crazy. This is crazy. Oh my God, bro. Whatever. Man. This tray might be grits. I'm guessing maybe you don't want to break. It probably doesn't want to break above the high right here. Wow. Zero about to be in drawdown. It's not looking too good, man. It's not looking too good. I just hope it doesn't finish with a gap attached to this blue candle right here. That's gonna be crazy if it does that. Alright, looking good, it's looking good. Let's see what we can get, man. This ain't a damn liquidity grab, man. They just grab people up here and they're done. Bro, what? Oh. Alright. I'm not gonna lie, my nerves are going crazy just now. I have no doubt that it probably will just shoot up and go past it. But I just, like, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I just couldn't do it. It's part of the journey. I'm gonna see how this, I wanna watch how this plays out. See if it would have just hit my TP from where it was. But I'm not gonna lie, like, as y'all can see, I was quiet. I was quiet as hell. Like, I was freaking out. So, yeah. So I was able to pull 226 from it. I risked 247. So, like, ideally we want to make more than what we're risking, especially because that wasn't a full one-to-one. But at the same time, anything can happen in this market, and I wanted my first trade on my valuation to start off in profit, because boy, I tell you, starting off in drawdown isn't fun. So that's the end of this video. I basically caught well, I caught on one-to-one, but over here it says that I risked about 247. I made 236, which is good. It's fine, you know what I mean? So I appreciate y'all for tuning in. We'll come back tomorrow, and then we'll see what else we can catch. This was SPY, by the way. I didn't even tell you guys what I was trading, but as you can see, I'm trading SPY. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys exactly what would have happened if I stayed in this trade. As you can see, I got out right up here. Something told me to get out, was just my gut feeling, just to get out because of how long it took to push up right here, and it was getting close to like 9:30, and it's kind of dangerous to trade around that time. So I decided, you know what, let me just get out right here, start the challenge off. You know, I made 236, but it gave me 226, which is fine. So we started off pretty good, and there's actually not really any explanation as to why this happened, because the market is going to do what it does. I even checked like the higher time frame, like the 1 hour. I don't see any supply setups that could have possibly dropped it, but you know, on the 1 hour it looks like it's in like a, you know, it's making lower highs. So it changed character a little bit over here, but you know, when the overall trend is kind of like bearish like this, you know, boom, lower high, you know, the market can do anything. It can go against your bias, like if you're trying to get in for a buy around this area. So, you know, that's all there is to it. Good thing I got out of there, because yeah, this, oh my god, this would have killed me, I'm not gonna lie. But you know, at the end of the day, this is what happens in the market. It can happen. Maybe my entry could have been a little bit better, but honestly, not really, because I was trying to get in at the break of this candle, this particular candle right here. It moved, but it moved so quickly, so I was just like, all right, whatever. I got it in right here, and then it got up here, gave me 236, and I left with it. So pretty decent day. Yeah, sellers are definitely in the market. With that being said, this is my first video, first trading session ever. I'm glad it went pretty good. I wanted it to go this way, so I'm happy about that. With that being said, though, I'll see you guys in the next video.